Namaskaram and wishes and blessings for the new year. As per the lunar calendar of India and also some parts of India using the lunisolar calendar, which is a complex mix of lunar and solar cycles. This 13th, 14th of April happens to be the new year. It's called Tamil Puttandu in Tamil Nadu, Ugadi in Karnataka, Andhra and Telangana. It's called Vishu in Kerala, Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra, Baisakhi in Punjab. For every one of you, my best wishes for this new year and may the best be with you. What is the significance of this new year? How many new years can you have in 1 year? Well, the new year that you celebrate as the 1st of January is made for convenience, just making numbers in such a way that's easy to count and remember. But the Indian calendar, or what used to be referred to as the Hindu calendar, is either lunar calendar, that is going by the cycles of the moon, or the solar calendar, which does not take just the cycles of the sun or relationship with the planet and sun, taking into account the impact of all the celestial objects which have significant impact on the planet. Accordingly, the calendar is made. For example, the Tamil calendar is made based on the cycles of the Jupiter and its relationship with planet Earth, and so it runs into cycles of 12 years, and in turn, 60 years is considered as one full cycle, that is 5 cycles of the Jupiter. Tamil calendar has a cycle of 60 years, and each of the 60 years has a name, and we have just finished a year that we called as Sarvari, which means it is a year of fragrance. Unfortunately, this fragrance turned a little unpleasant with 2020, but now the year that we are stepping into is called Pleva, which literally means wisdom. So we definitely need to step into this wisdom. Having faced what we have faced through the pandemic and the situations that everybody has gone through, many have lost their lives, time for wisdom definitely. Without wisdom, you cannot handle a situation like this. In knee-jerk reactions if we go, this pandemic will take a much bigger toll on us in every way, because WHO is predicting more people may die of suicide than of the pandemic as time goes on. So we need wisdom for sure. We must understand the significance of this Indian or Hindu calendar is that it is not just a number game of counting time, but it is about the human experience. It is taking subjective dimension of the human being as to what is happening, and that is how it is in this time where from this 13th, 14th of April, next 21 days, the sun's energy will be having a maximum positive impact on the northern hemisphere, and that is the reason why the new year is here, because sun or the solar energy being the basic form of energy, maximum impact and benefit will happen at this time. This is also at the time of Uttarayana, so it is a time of resurgence, time of blossoming. In tropical countries, this is also time maximum flowers are there in the trees and plants. So this is the new year. In various states, it's called by various names. Essentially, this is about following either lunar calendar and adjusting to the solar calendar, or following a more complex lunisolar calendar, and I would say that is far more accurate and it takes more aspects of our life into consideration, because both the lunar cycles and the solar cycles are taken into consideration. Having said all this, once again, it's my wish and my blessing, you must have a great year, stepping into the year of wisdom. Let us earn some wisdom so that we can handle these challenging times gracefully.